Hello everyone, welcome back to e-commerce army. This is Umar. Today we are starting our new video series of Amazon PPC ads campaign. In this video I am going to introduce you to Amazon PPC ads campaign and about the bidding strategy of Amazon PPC ads. So please subscribe to my channel to keep getting updates about Amazon PPC ads and Amazon. So after watching this video, if you need any type of help or consultation, you can contact me on Skype. I will provide you the Skype profile link in the description. So before wasting any time, let's start the video. So PPC ads campaign is the most critical part of Amazon selling because it has direct money involvement, also in the involvement of numbers. Even if you are selling at the first stop of your Amazon page, if you are ranked on the first page, first spot of Amazon selling, you have to keep running Amazon ads campaign because buyers are continuously targeting your sales. So if you don't run Amazon PPC ads, your sales going to decline day by day. So in Amazon terminology, there is a terminology called ACOS. This is advertisement cost over sales. So we have to keep our ACOS as minimum as we can, so we can have much less cost and much higher number of sales. So in number of terminology, ACOS is not very important. TACOS is very important to us. It is called total ACOS, total number of sales, your organic and sponsored number of sales. So it is very important. So our basic purpose of running Amazon PPC ads is to have more organic sales and less sponsored ads and sponsored sales. So moving on to the next point, focus on PPC before expanding outside. Again, very important point. At start, please consider Amazon has very much traffic onto their website. So at start, we don't need to go outside on Facebook or Google etc. Yes, once we have our established number of sales and we established our brand on Amazon, then we can start and go on to Facebook ads and Google ads and start getting traffic from outside sources. So please consider this point very importantly. So moving on to the next points, we have bids and budgeting. Amazon PPC ads are going expensive day by day because of uncrupulous seller came onto Amazon and set the bids exceptionally high. Because of that, our cost per clicks goes high as well. So okay, moving on to the next point, there are two types of Amazon PPC ads campaign. One is automatic and two manual PPC ads campaign. So in automatic, Amazon do itself keyword research and target AdSense by itself. So it is automated in automatic campaigns. All Amazon stuff, all the stuff Amazon do by itself. So in manual campaigns, we have three type of campaigns. First is broad type, second is phrase type, and third is exact type. We will discuss more about it, these types in the coming videos. So this is it from our introduction part. Moving on to next, we will have in manual campaigns we will have to do our keyword research by ourselves. Then we have to done target AdSense by ourselves. So we will talk about these strategies in our next coming videos. So moving on to the next point, we have our bidding strategy. So in bidding strategy, we will recommend to start with automatic campaigns. In automatic campaigns, there are three types of Amazon suggestions. One is higher Amazon suggestions, and then Amazon suggestions and lower Amazon suggestions. So we have to start with 10 to 20% higher from Amazon bidding suggestions. 10 to 20%, we have to set our bidding 10 to 20% higher than Amazon suggestions. So then we moving forward in manual exact, we have to set 10 to 20% higher bidding than Amazon higher suggestion, because we are targeting exact number of keywords in exact number of ASINs. Then so we set 10 to 20% higher bidding strategy. In manual broad strategy, manual broad type, we are targeting broad type of keywords, so we tend to set our bidding strategy lower than Amazon suggestions, 10 to 20% lower than Amazon suggestions. So we have to keep tracking our Amazon PPC ads campaign. So we are getting impressions, we are not getting impressions and clicks, so we need to increase our bidding 20 to 30%. Again, vice versa, if we are getting clicks and impressions and there are low conversions, then we need to decrease our bidding strategy 20 to 30%. So it is all upon your tracking, and you have to keep tracking your Amazon PPC, keep optimizing your PPC ads campaign. So, and analyze your search terms. So if you have more irrelevant search terms, you need to set them negative, and you are with your relevant searches, if you are getting more clicks, impressions, and not getting conversions, and your product is in the initial stages, and your competitors are getting very high numbers of sales, then you have to set your bids low and take decisions based upon results. You have to keep optimizing your PPC ads campaign and take decisions on those results that you are getting. In PPC, there is no one fit for all. In some cases, you do best keyword research and you don't even need to run automatic ads campaign in the start, and you can start directly manually. And and some cases you have to start with manual auto campaigns. So it varies from case to case. Your success is based on that you try, analyze your results, optimize your sales on those analysis basis. So keep optimizing your bid strategy. Amazon is a slow ranking process. It takes 2 to 3 months in optimizing results. So our first aim and goal is to keep our ACOS between 100%, so that our account does not go in negative. We will not go, first aim is not to go into profit or neither go into negative. We have to keep our account on the break even. So this is much from this is it from today's video. So if you like the video, please make sure to click the like button, or if you need any consultation, please you can contact me on Skype. So please subscribe to my channel for next videos. We will in the next video I will tell you how to practically, I will tell you how you can set up your Amazon PPC ad campaign. So please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.